Hi there, kitchen family, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make lava cake. Yeah, it's a cake filled with chocolate, malted, if I do it right. Well, back to the video, enjoy! The few things you're gonna need is flour, 100 grams, sugar, it doesn't matter which one, 100 grams, butter, also 100 grams, chocolate, pure chocolate, dark chocolate, 100 grams, egg, 2 normal eggs, and 2 yellow yolds, if I'm saying it right. The first thing you want to do is melt the chocolate and the butter on bain-marie. So heat it up, fill the pan with water, get a bowl, put it on top and let it melt. The first thing or the second thing you want to do is mix this egg with the sugar till it's lightly and yellow. In the meanwhile, spray your baking form in. When your chocolate is melted, you put in by the eggs. So chocolate is melted, something like that. Now we mix it up. Now we put in the flour, one by one, little by little, and mix it up. Now we can put liquor too as well. I will put in Baileys for a little bit sweetness. Now fill up the baking form with the mixture. And now put your cake in the oven for like 20 minutes on 180 Celsius. Alright, now we have to try to remove it from the form. In the 1, in the 2, in the 3. Yeah! Well, it's not quite what I meant, but it will taste the same. So, thank you for watching for this video. If you're new to this channel, you should really check out the subscribe button down below. Hit that subscribe button and share the video. Just put it on your social media and share it. Put it in your story of Instagram. Put it in your story of Facebook. Put it in your story of Snapchat. It doesn't matter. Just do it. Share. Yes, share that video. It's a very nice video. You learn from it. It's a tutorial. Do it. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Yeah. Wow. Have a good one.